Once again, about to forget my camera. 2008 Ford Focus front CV axle replacement. Missing one stud. One of them looks kind of ganked up. We'll see what happens. You got a bad tire on this front driver's side, and whoever put this caliper on, they about cost you a caliper in due time. They didn't have this rubber boot on there. I done wiped all the. That's an error CV axle nut. Somebody never pinged right to where that indentation is, never locked her in. Not only was that not pinged in the indentation, keep it in place, but it was exceptionally loose too. Probably got wheel bearing damage. Yeah, sure enough, getting that thing out of there plain as day, you got wheel bearing damage. That thing is bad. Remember, I'm just out here taking notes. That speed sensor, I don't know, it ain't quite right. She ain't tight. So that wheel speed sensor wasn't in there quite right. They cross-threaded the bolts and left one out. They cross-threaded both of them and went to it. But I gotta do a, what they call a tap and die thing. Come on, zoom in. Anyway, ooh, hey, figured out a new function. Anyway, yeah. Got to do a tap and die, just going back and forth, cutting, straightening out the threads. Yeah, back and forth, back. Yeah, you ain't got to watch this. Yep, and this one here, back and forth, back and forth. Take a little bit more each time. Okay, still don't want to watch it? I got you. Alright, got you that bolt put back in there. It was down here, and had to re-tap the bolt, but whenever you just see me throwing my hands up in the air like, hey, I made it, it's because I just found that little bolt right there. And yeah, so we got you buckled up there. We'll move on. So as I tighten that down to 199, let's see where we at there, right here maybe. But anyway, as I tighten it down to 199 foot-pounds, it's going to draw that wheel bearing together, and it might actually create more issues. I know you say he's going to go ahead and get the steering knuckle. And that's what I suggest. Just replace it all. It'd be easier, cheaper kind of thing, I imagine. Getting a used one from your buddy, like he is saying. Definitely my suggestion. I mean, if it's my car, my money, that's the way I'd go. Come on and turn off. Why ain't my gadget here turning off? Oh. Alright, and that's what I was talking about down on the bottom side, locking her in so I don't lose torque. That thing out, I don't know, somebody didn't do. I did. Oh yeah, I'm all done. I'm gonna take her for a little test run. In a minute, I'll knock on the door and I'll drive it one way and you drive it the other. We'll see what we think about it.